Hello guys, I'm Victor Godfrey, and today we're diving into a topic every aspiring author should understand. It is about the real difference between Amazon KDP and traditional publishing. If you've ever wondered which path is right for you, whether you're looking for creative freedom, faster timelines, or just want to see your book out there, I'll break down the pros and cons of each. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of which publishing option best fits your goals as a new author. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a self-publishing platform that lets authors publish their work directly into Amazon's Kindle store, making it accessible to millions of readers worldwide. And with KDP, authors handle all aspects of the publishing process, from editing to cover design and to formatting. KDP is also known for its flexibility, speed, and accessibility, allowing authors to publish on their terms. Traditional publishing, on the other hand, involves working with established publishers who handle editing, design, marketing, and the distribution of the book. Authors typically submit manuscripts to literary agents who pitch the work to publishers, with the publishers then taking on production costs and managing the book's release and marketing. Both paths have unique advantages, and understanding each one in depth can help you choose the best route for your publishing journey. Amazon KDP is incredibly accessible. With no application process, anyone can create a KDP account, upload a book, and have it available for sale within hours. This makes it ideal for first-time authors as it eliminates the need to seek approval from a publisher or agent. With KDP, you can publish in both digital and paperback formats with ease. Traditional publishing, on the other hand, is notoriously competitive. The process usually requires an agent who represents the author and pitches the manuscript to publishers. Only a percentage of manuscripts are accepted, making it challenging for new authors to break into the market. However, once accepted, traditional publishing offers significant support and a level of prestige that self-publishing does not typically provide. Amazon KDP is far more accessible, allowing anyone to publish a book quickly, while traditional publishing is much more selective and can take months or even years to secure. One of the major draws of self-publishing on KDP is the complete creative control it offers. You decide on the cover design, formatting, pricing, and even the release date. You can update the book whenever you want and change aspects of the book without restrictions. The level of freedom is ideal for authors who have specific vision for their work and want to retain full control. In traditional publishing, creative control is largely ceded to the publisher. While you may have some input as the author, the publisher typically has the final say on the cover design, editing, and even the book's content in some cases. Publishers aim to tailor your book for maximum appeal, and this can mean changes to align with market expectations. This might be helpful if you want a professionally crafted final product, but it can be frustrating for authors with a clear creative vision. On the other hand, KDP gives you complete creative freedom, while traditional publishing requires compromise but benefits from professional expertise in producing a polished book. Amazon KDP offers competitive royalty rates, typically between 35% and 70%, depending on factors such as book pricing, region, and whether the book is in Kindle Unlimited. Since you handle all aspects of publishing, you keep a larger share of the profit for each of the sale made. However, you bear all costs, including cover design, editing, and marketing. Traditional publishers usually offer royalties between 5% and 50% on print books and around 25% on ebooks. However, if you have an agent, a portion of your earnings goes towards the agent's commission. Traditional publishing typically offers an advanced lump sum of money paid upfront to the author, which is also recouped from future royalties. So if your book performs well, royalties can be lucrative, but if it doesn't, your earnings might not exceed the initial advance paid. KDP allows authors to retain a higher percentage of royalties, but comes with self-publishing costs. Traditional publishing offers a smaller royalty share, but often includes an advance. With KDP, marketing is entirely up to the author. Amazon provides some marketing tools like Kindle countdown deals and Amazon advertising, but to gain visibility, authors need to be proactive. This can involve social media campaign, email list, or running ads. While this is challenging, this independence allows you to learn and apply skills to reach and retain readers. Traditional publishers handle most aspects of marketing and distribution. They have established relationships with bookstores, media outlets, and online retailers, which increases your book's visibility. However, publishers tend to focus marketing efforts on their bestsellers. So unless your book is expected to perform well, you may still need to market on your own. KDP requires authors to manage their own marketing, while traditional publishing provides professional distribution but may not prioritize promotion for every book. One of the greatest advantages of KDP is its speed. Authors can publish their work in a matter of hours or days, reaching readers almost instantly. This is especially beneficial for timely seasonal content as you can respond to trends quickly. Additionally, the option to update or revise content makes KDP a flexible choice. Traditional publishing is a lengthy process that can take up to 12 to 24 months or even longer. And after securing an agent and a publisher, the manuscript goes through extensive editing, design, and marketing preparations. These timelines can be challenging for authors eager to release their work, but can ensure a well-prepared, polished book. KDP offers a fast publishing process idea for authors who want immediate access to readers. Traditional publishing takes longer, but it includes rigorous editing and quality control. Self-publishing has become more acceptable, and some KDP authors have achieved impressive sales and literary recognition. However, self-publishing still has a reputation for varying quality as the barriers to entry are low. For authors with strong self-publishing marketing skills and a quality product, KDP can still build credibility over time. Traditionally, published books are often seen as more prestigious, partly because they go through a selective vetting process. A publishing deal with a reputable publisher can lend credibility, open doors to literary awards, and increase the likelihood of media coverage. Traditional publishing tends to hold more prestige, but self-publishing on KDP can still build credibility, especially if the book is well crafted and successful. While KDP itself is free to use, self-publishing often incurs various expenses for editing, cover design, formatting, and marketing. These costs can vary widely, but having professionally polished book is crucial for success on Amazon. So some upfront investment is typically necessary. Traditional publishers cover all upfront costs, including editing, cover design, printing, and marketing. The author does not have to invest financially in the process, which makes traditional publishing a lower risk option in terms of financial investment. KDP requires authors to invest their own funds upfront, while traditional publishers covers costs, though earnings might be lower due to smaller royalties. Amazon KDP platform gives authors access to a massive global audience. Kindle ebooks in particular are widely accessible, and with Kindle Unlimited, subscribers can read books for free, which can boost readership. However, KDP books are largely limited to Amazon, with fewer options for brick-and-mortar distribution. Traditional publishers have established connections with major retailers, including bookstores, libraries, and international distributors. This means your book can reach readers through more diverse channels and achieve a higher level of mainstream exposure than with KDP. KDP books reach a wider audience on Amazon, but traditional publishers provide broader distribution options, including bookstores and libraries. So choosing between KDP and traditional publishing depends largely on your personal goals, resources, and visions for your book. Here are a few questions for you to consider when making that decision. Do you want complete creative control? If so, KDP might be better for you. Can you handle marketing independently? Then KDP requires self-promotions, whereas traditional publishing provides support. Are you seeking prestige and traditional credibility? Then traditional publishing is generally more esteemed. Do you want a faster time to market? KDP offers speed, while traditional publishing takes time. Are you ready to invest in self-publishing costs? Then be rest assured that KDP will likely involve some upfront expenses. Both KDP and traditional publishing offer unique benefits and challenges. KDP is an excellent choice for authors who want control, speed, and a higher share of royalties. It allows you to publish on your own terms and develop a hands-on understanding of the publishing industry. Traditional publishing, on the other hand, is ideal if you're seeking credibility, support, and broad distribution with lower personal financial risk. It provides a structured, professional approach to bring your book to the market. Ultimately, there's no one size fits all, and both paths can lead to successful career in writing. Whichever route you choose, remember that the key to success is perseverance, continuous improvement, and a deep passion for your craft. I hope this breakdown helped clarify which path might be the best fit for your publishing journey. Whether you're drawn to the creative freedom of self-publishing or the established support of traditional publishing, each option has unique rewards. I'm glad you made it to this point, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on navigating the world of publishing. Drop a comment below if you have any question or let me know which path you're leaning toward. Thanks for watching and good luck with your publishing journey.